Doing some work here today on a rifle, and I have the fore-end piece here, and you can see hopefully there that it's saturated with oil, probably from cleaning the metal parts that butt up against this fore-end on each side. The wood has soaked up a lot of that oil, so I'm going to refinish this, but before I do that I want to get that oil out of the wood here. So I'm going to try a technique that I heard about to see if it works, and it involves a heat gun and kitty litter. So I'm going to put the fore-end here, and I'm going to go ahead and heat that up, and then I'm going to have some kitty litter down in this metal pail, and after I heat it up I'm going to put the end that I've heated up down in the kitty litter and let it sit in there and let the kitty litter soak up that oil, or that's kind of the theory behind this method. So I'm going to test it out and see if it works. Get the kitty litter over here. Go ahead and turn this heat gun on. So I'm going to go ahead and heat this part. I'm also going to multitask and open up this kitty litter over here. Alright. I'm going to need 2 hands for this kitty litter, so I'm going to turn this off for a second. It's cooling down. Throw some kitty litter in here. Alright. I'm going to put 3 inches of kitty litter in here in this little pail. Make sure it's up high enough to where it can soak out all of that oil. Alright, turn this back on. And I'm kind of expecting to do this a couple of times. I don't think one time of heating this up and throwing it in the kitty litter is going to suck out all of the oil, but who knows, maybe it will. And I'm back about 3 inches from the wood, and I'm not lingering too long in one place. Yeah, it's pretty warm, but it's not hot like I'm gonna hurt the wood by heating it up too much there. Alright, I'm gonna pop it down in the kitty litter there. Turn the heat gun to cool. Let it run till that cools down. Sorry about the noise, but I'm going to go ahead and let that sit there for a while, and then I'll come back and check on it. Alright, let's check this out. So it's been sitting in here for about 10 minutes. And it looks noticeably different to me. It does look like some of that oil, or quite a bit of it, has come out. So I'm going to try this one more time and see if we can do just a little bit better. So I'll wait until the heat gun goes off, and then about 5 minutes more, and then I'll come back and take a look at it. Alright, so it's been about 10 minutes total time. This has been down in the cat litter this time, so I'm going to dust it off here. Got this off now, we can show this here. All right, so let's compare it. Put it up against my shirt here. So that's the end that I just did, that I removed the oil from. Got it all the way around there. Okay. This is the other end that hasn't been done. You can see the oil right there. That's what that looks like. All right. There's the end that I did. So you can tell it did get the oil out of this end. So I'm just going to wait. I'm going to do this other side same way, and then I'm going to wait a few days to see if this end, if any oil comes up to the surface here, and if so, I'm going to go ahead and do the same treatment again. But this actually feels pretty dry down here, and I got the feeling that this is going to be just fine. So I'll do the same thing down here, and then I'll be ready to go ahead and seal and finish this fore end. Thanks for watching, guys.